Good morning on day 32.
They say every journey begins with a single step, but I believe ours began over 2 years ago when we decided to attempt a through hike of the Appalachian Trail. Through years of preparation and training, we prepared ourselves for an adventure of a lifetime. This is our journey to Cashapp.
We're packing up from Standing Bear and we're almost ready to hit the road. She's excited. Leaving Standing Bear. We had a great time. Oh yeah, there's chickens and sheep. Goats. Yep. Let's just walk today until we get tired. Yeah. And then see where that ends up. I like that plan for today. Yeah, that's a good plan. Point 2 back on the trail, and then we'll begin the official miles back on the AT. As we struggle going up this mountain, this steep mountain, in 80-degree weather with little to no breeze at all, and the humidity probably is, I don't know, 70-80%. To be honest, it feels a whole lot like Florida. But as we push ourselves to get up this mountain, I'm not enjoying these steps right now. It's comforting to remember that pain is temporary. You know, you start to realize things like that even more boldly than you would have really in everyday life. Pain is temporary, just like joy, happiness, excitement, pleasure, all of those things are temporary, which then says to the opposite end, pain, sadness, anger, frustration, what we would term as negative, those are also temporary too. So as you're going through life and you're deep in your emotions, or you feel like your emotions are starting to control you, just remember that It's all temporary. Biochemically, it simply can't last forever. Life just doesn't work that way. With all the ups and downs throwing at you different triggers, different results of emotions. It's all temporary. So whether it's a positive thing that you're experiencing, embrace it, because it won't last forever. And if it's a negative, something that we would term as negative or unpleasant thing that you're experiencing, just hold on. You'll get through it. It doesn't last forever. And it'll be a memory, just like all the positive stuff that we experience. But now back to climbing this mountain. How are you feeling?
Good. Happy to have some cold water.
Yeah, it's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Makes for the climbs to be just a little bit tougher.
Yeah.
This is nice. I just had a really good idea. So, you know how there's Far Out, right?
Yeah.
It's the app that tells you how far everything is, how many miles, where the water sources are, so on and so forth, right? Gives you the elevation gain, the loss, tells you all the things. I was just thinking, I would love to have an addition to Far Out. Being like a cheering squad. So like the algorithm could be, you know, when you're 0.1 from the top of a climb that's over so many feet or 1,000 feet, maybe a voice comes and says, right, you've got it. You're almost there. Keep trucking. And it gives you a little bit of a verbal encouragement. And then when you get there, there should be like, woohoo, shouting and, you know, yeah, like a celebration of all the noise and excitement of the feats you have just conquered. And then maybe even a part that if you're going a certain pace and you start slowing down, for it to say something like, come on, I see you slowing down, pick up the pace, you're almost there. Or, I don't know, come on, you can do this, embrace the suck, or, I don't know, a whole slew of things that can be said to motivate you. And maybe even like how Waze and other apps like that, you can do your own customize. I think that would be loads of fun. What do you think?
I think that'd be really fun.
I think it'd be fun. We might be onto something.
Yeah.
Good job, kiddo. Way to push. Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious.
You know, I've seen a whole bunch of people slack packing around us since Georgia. And although it's sort of like anti-self-rescue for me, I'm not judging anybody else. Hope y'all heard that. I'm not judging anybody else. I'm just saying, for me, it kind of seems like that. But right about now, seems pretty awesome. don't know what this thing is. Plan 9, you promise? This is the top.
Snowbird Peak.
Yeah! Woo! What is this thing?
It's a FAA communications tower.
That's cool.
Or a spaceship.
I'm gonna go with the spaceship. That's really neat.
Communication is released for sure.
Wow. We did it.
We did it.
Beautiful view too. But we're ready to get up out of this heat. Let's descend. That was 4.6 miles in 80-degree heat of Kiss My Grits. That was hot. Oh, good idea with the umbrella. Another great example why 6.6 ounces Gossamer Gear umbrellas are 100% worth the weight penalty. Look at this whole little area. It's like covered in little umbrellas. Or Little Bear is calling them umbrellas.
And look at this flower. It's so pretty.
Oh yeah, that is quite pretty. Oops, wrong.
It's kind of odd looking. I like it though.
The leaves are what's kind of odd looking, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this whole little forest is full of like little umbrellas. It's so hot, we're wanting to go swimming.
Yeah.
I think that we're looking at everything as like
It's like,
water related.
yeah, it's been hot today. I think it's 80s.
Yeah, it was
But it's
85 at
definitely
one point.
getting colder, though, because of the wind, which is so nice.
Yeah, there's been no shade whatsoever today. So besides our umbrellas and ducking behind trees, we've just been exposed to the sun all day long. And I think once we're done, depending on where we stop, we have gained and lost a bunch of elevation today.
A lot.
Yeah.
Mostly uphill.
Yeah, mostly uphill. You're doing a great job though, Little Bear. I'm so proud of you. I know this is a hard day.
Yeah. And we're doing 15.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see when we get there how we feel. You gotta be careful. Heat is just as dangerous as cold. That's why we've been staying very, very hydrated in the shade as much as possible and cooling down. But we're on our way. More toad umbrellas. How you doing?
Good.
Ooh-wee. Thank you. I'm not gonna lie. I was done about 5 miles ago. This has been a really hard day. But in case I forget later to tell you what I'm most proud of or my highlight of the day is this kid.
Oh my gosh, Mom, I can play better.
She has been the champion of the day. I've been struggling and she's just been motivating and love and kindness. I'm just so freaking proud of her. You guys, this kid, she's an amazing human. And she pushed me way past my limits in a good way. And now I've set new goals. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this was worth it, Little Bear. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
It's so pretty.
It's pretty enough to make you cry.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you. Thank you. I love you. You motivate me to be the best me possible.
This is so great.
Wow. Thank you, God, for this child. Thank you for pushing me to see this. This is amazing. I told you. You reminded me. We do hard things, and we can do this. And we're doing it. Yeah. I can't get over this. I definitely want to come back one day and watch the actual sunset. But because you can't camp up here anymore, you kind of got to make your way down and find a place to camp. So that's what we're doing now. But wow. Wow. These memories will live in our hearts forever, and I'm so thankful. Unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
I'm in awe. I'm in awe of your strength as much as I am this amazing beauty. God has amazing plans for you, kiddo. You are by far one of the strongest people I've ever met.
I was a little scared, but I did it.
I'm so glad I'm your mama. Little bear setting up our tent by moonlight.
There's spots for people, more than just a couple people. Oh yeah? That's what's up then. All right, then.
You're so awesome.
I know.
Hello?
guys, we got to camp a little bit too late, so it's way past sacred midnight, and we're just going to do a recap in the morning. But here's Ellie, and we'll see y'all in the morning.
Yeah, love and light to y'all. Good night.